What's going on, guys? Today we are going to go over my equipment. I recently made some changes. I have a Conestoga now. I didn't buy the Conestoga. I bought a trailer with the Conestoga. I'll show you the trailer right now, and we're gonna be putting on lights on the Conestoga inside, because once they load you at night, they don't have lights. Really hard to see. Or if it's rainy, I can just close the Conestoga, turn on the lights, and be able to see, you know. Well, yeah, we'll be doing that. Some changes I want to do to it, and yeah, we'll see what the video goes from there. All right, guys, here's the truck. That's the one I'm using currently. And then this is the trailer I bought with the tall ass fucking tall Conestoga. It's a 2003 East MMX, which means this East is rated for a single coil of 80,000 pounds. I could put a single coil right in the middle, 80,000 pounds, and it shouldn't break. It should hold it. It had like 4 recaps, and the rest are virgin. I already ordered the 4 tires for it. 4 brand new tires. I'm gonna go get 4 brand new aluminum rims, and then the back ones I'm gonna buy them used. Right now Peterbilt has a sale for 22.5 rims aluminum for, I believe, $199, or high polish for $217. So I'm gonna go get that. And right now Conestoga's in pretty good shape. It has like 1 or 2 little rips on it. I'll show you inside. It's cold today, it's like 40 degrees. Right now we're loaded. We have a 48,000 pound coil. We are going to Pekin, Illinois with it. You see the rips are just in the back mainly. Other than that, pretty good shape. Oh yeah, we're going to Pekin, Illinois. Shout out to one of the subscribers, John. He sold me some of these J hooks. But the only thing I don't like, they're too thick, so this does not fit onto here. I might have to buy some. These are 3/8 ends for the chains, I believe 3/8. But they have some 1/2 inch that work on these two that should go over it. But yeah, right now we are installing lights up here. I already pretty much screwed them on there. I bought those at Napa. They're like 15 bucks a piece, I believe. That way, whenever they load us, I can just close the curtain, do my thing, and I'll be able to see. I'm gonna grab. I cut this wire. It goes to some LED lights that go all the way on top, pretty much like clearance lights. And I'm gonna put a switch right here to turn them on and off whenever I don't need them. But in order for them to work, the clearance lights have to be on. But that shouldn't be an issue. Yeah, pretty much that's it. I'm gonna run the wire right now. Have us leave it set it up, and then hopefully we'll finish pretty soon. All right, guys. It's halfway done pretty much. Right now we just gotta see which way the wires want to be connected. LEDs, you gotta make sure you have the wires right, or else they do not work. See if I get it in. There we go. Go in there. I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Put you guys up here. Okay, see they're on. Kind of disappointed on the brightness a little bit. Just go stand in the back. Oh, it should be all right. All right, guys. Let me show you real quick how I wired up the switch. Only 2 wires are going to those lights, okay? So the switch is pretty simple. You just connect 1 wire, you see off and on. All this does is connect those 2 wires. See? There's 3 wires here, but the green one is nothing. I only use the black and the white. And that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna cover it up, stick it on right here, and then I'll have a functioning switch. I don't know, yeah, probably like this. I'm gonna obviously put the cover on, and then that'll be it. Just clean out the wiring down there a little bit, and that's it. Almost done here. It's starting to rain a little bit. Gotta hurry up and go do my dad's before it starts raining. All right, let me finish that, and then I'll go show you over there. Oh, we're also gonna switch this hose. Look, you see those, the red hose? It's those plastic ones, and winter's coming, and you do not want to use those in winter. During the summer, they're okay. But winter, plastic gets fragile and it cracks, and then you'll be stranded because that's the main airline. That's it. But yeah, use rubber instead of plastic. Quick note. All right, guys. Time to change this valve. This one right here. We already bought it. So now I just gotta take off all the lines and put it back on. Shouldn't be too hard, but there's always surprises. Like this one swivels, so you loosen it up. All these fittings, you gotta take them off. It's quite a process. It's just tedious, that's all. Shouldn't be too hard. I'm gonna get started. And yeah. Alright, guys. One little tip before we start. Make sure you guys take a picture of how the hoses, well, which hoses go where. That way when you're changing it, you remember, because then that's the only trouble you could run into. Just take a picture of where each hose goes, and then you should be all fine. Cool. I'll set you guys up for a little bit. There it is. Alright guys, we are all done. Brand new valve, all the lines, hoses, everything's put back together how it was. Now, that's pretty much it for the day, I think. Probably go close up to Conestoga. For this coil, The only thing I don't like about this Conestoga is too tall. I'm 13.6 with my truck. I need to find a low leaf suspension for it or something because I'm too tall. I'll probably end up ruining the Conestoga eventually because it's too tall and I'm gonna forget, or yeah. I'm always fearful of going to places because I don't know how tall their door is. But yeah, all right guys, thank you for watching me today. Regular Saturday, always working on something. I'm gonna close it up. Oh, I'm gonna drop yeah. All right, thank you, peace out. All right guys, this video at night. Lights are working perfectly. Lights up the whole area. Got the switch. Dark. Perfect, just what I wanted. Let's call it a day. We spent all Saturday here. It's already like 6:30 at night. Well, I got here around like I don't know, maybe like 10:30. Yeah. Alright guys, my lights still work on top. I got the power from that light. So, everything's still working properly. I'm gonna go home, color it today, drink some nice warm coffee. What's needed right now. Good. All right, guys.